Hi, I'm Todd Hallett. I'm here representing the Home Design Network. I'm from TK Design Associates. I'm an AIA architect. I'm here to show you a before and after of a home that we did a renovation project on. This home was in Plymouth, Michigan, and I wanted to show you initially what the floor plan was. So if you look here, it's a small ranch home with an entrance towards the corner. You walk into a living room which is 16 by 11. There's a very small dining area, 6 by 11, with a kitchen. The kitchen was recently redone, so it was a nice kitchen in nice shape. And stairway going up to a platform and then down to the basement. On this side, you have a small bedroom, 9 by 10, a bathroom, and the primary bedroom, which is 12 by 10. What we decided to do, based on the client's needs, was to take the ranch, the one-story home, and create a two-story home. And here's what we did. We decided to come in and take this living space that was here prior and bring a stairway, add a stairway into it. A switchback stairway. Looks something like this. And then we decided to add a family room off the rear. Eliminate that bedroom and create a family room space off the rear with a nice fireplace. And open up create a little foyer wall here, but open up the dining so that the dining is represented in this space right here. Give it a large dining, a nice formal entrance. We put a bench here. Nice formal entrance, a nice dining, the existing kitchen that we didn't touch, and we didn't touch this existing bedroom or bathroom. So that's the concept. And you can see the foyer, the dining area, the nice family room area, the stairway, existing bedroom, existing kitchen, and then a completely brand new second floor. You come up the stairs, we have a bedroom facing the street, a bathroom that's shared with this additional bedroom up front, and then the owner's primary suite goes off the rear with a nice bathroom with its own separate tub and walk-in closet. We knew we were adding a second floor to it, so we knew we were going to have space above, and we wanted to keep the entrance where it was. So what we ended up doing is something to this effect. Extending out a gable that comes across here, putting a front porch, with a metal roof on it, and an arch. Putting a window up here with shutters. Across. Coming up here, and then we have the roof.